Good morning, it's Miss Bansky once again with your first mini lesson of the week. I hope that you had a good Memorial Day weekend and are off to a good start with your virtual learning for this week. Um, let's get started with today's lesson. Just to recap, since we haven't talked about this in a week, main idea is the point of um, a piece of writing. So it's the most important thought that the author has about the topic that they're describing. So main idea can be supported with details in the text that describe or explain it in further detail. So some supporting details that authors use include examples, statistics, opinions, and so on and so forth. Anything that further explains the main idea of the passage. So the first passage that we're going to be looking at today is called Magnets, and I'm going to read it for you now. Magnets have many uses, but one of their strangest uses is inside a cow's stomach. They are put there so when cows accidentally eat nails or wire, the metal sticks to the magnet. If the metal moved through the cow's digestive system, it could cause damage. The magnet protects the cow and saves the farmer from big vet bills. You'll remember this graphic organizer from last week. This is the ice cream cone graphic organizer. So basically, just to recap what it means, the cone holds the scoops of ice cream in place, just like the main idea gives purpose to the supporting details. So the main idea of this passage is that magnets have many uses, but one of their strangest uses is inside a cow's stomach. And these are the details from the text that support that because they explain what magnets do in a cow's stomach. So magnets are put there so when cows accidentally eat nails or wires, the metal sticks to the magnet. If the magnet moved through the cow's digestive system, it could cause damage. And the magnet protects the cow and saves the farmer from big vet bills. So these are the ways that magnets have a purpose in a cow's stomach. This is the passage that we're going to be looking at for your exit ticket today. It is called Moon Missions. The United States sent 7 manned missions to the moon, but only 6 made it. The Apollo 13 mission was over halfway to the moon when one of its oxygen tanks exploded. The astronauts had to come up with creative ways to fix their ship and return to Earth. Their courage has been an inspiration to others who followed in their footsteps. So the main idea of this passage, normally I give you the supporting details, but the main idea of this passage is that the United States sent 7 named missions to the moon, but only 6 made it. Your responsibility in your exit ticket is to figure out what the supporting details in this text are that support this main idea. So here's a preview of your exit ticket. Looks like this. The question says to identify 2 supporting details from the text that support the main idea listed in the slideshow. So you have to choose 2 answers from the list that support this main idea. If you have any questions about this or anything related to humanities or digital learning, feel free to reach out to me and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.